What's up, SW Mafia? It's your girl Shawna back with another video, and today, y'all, I'm finna be doing a reaction to Vibing with P and Binks giving the girls a one-on-one birds and bees talk. This should be very interesting. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification on. Let me know what y'all want to see down below, either challenges, who y'all want to see me react to, all that kind of sort. If y'all want me to prank somebody, yeah, let me know. And let's get right into the video. What she said. What she said.
Okay, but who was you going with? This boy named Shawna. She talking about my mama. No, where she dated? I didn't know she dated Tavion. She keeps taking me out on the list. No,
they kissing. Oh my lord.
She tried to say you dated him too. She said you dated him. I didn't know.
Y'all need to know how old they is. She don't like that little boy.
So which one of y'all had a boyfriend? You? All three of us did.
Oh.
So you had the boyfriend.
Even the little one in the back. They gotta be older. They gotta be older.
All three of y'all come here and sit on this bed so I can tell y'all something because this is serious. No. You know what?
Binks and snapped into mommy mode.
Okay, everybody just be quiet. I need to talk to y'all. Because this is serious and I'm not even playing. Y'all around here, how old is y'all? 10, 13, I'm 12. It's not funny. Work the song.
10, 12, and 13. Okay.
No, I'm 8, 10, 13. You little. 13, 12, and 10. Kissing on I ain't kissing on nobody. I'm not done. Kissing on the lips make you pregnant. I'm taking it there. Okay, sit down.
No, Binks. Wait.
I'm not sure if that's what y'all want to be, but it's people who y'all age pregnant. You pregnant? No. I ain't say that. Shit.
Y'all kissing make y'all pregnant.
Make you pregnant, and I'm not going to
Says Binks.
Okay. Unless y'all want to get pregnant, don't kiss me. I don't kiss nobody. That's just disgusting. I don't want to hurt you. So what she say? Did you kiss
Oh, she said, I wanna hurt these. I felt that.
He said that he kissed my teacher and everybody said that she did it. He never, he okay, so why you tell me that you heard that? Because every time he dates somebody, a girl, and they break up with him, he's the one to sit there and climb like a good girl, but he claims he games and all that. What grade is y'all in? I'm in a 7th. I'm in 4th. You in 7th grade? Okay, so y'all in
13 and 7th grade. Yeah,
okay, so
that's about right.
y'all sit up there, no more throughout this year. No kissing. Hold on. Cause what y'all gonna do if y'all have a kid? Kill it.
Oh, that little girl said she would kill it. Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not gonna have no kid. Okay.
Oh shit.
That's what I'm saying. You think you're cool, yeah. Cause you got a boyfriend, right? Y'all, why did y'all break up? I mean, I liked her best friend. So you liked another man? No, he liked her best friend named Carolina. So y'all broke up. You let somebody else take your man? I'm not playing around. You never let nobody take your. You know what? You go back to school. Listen, look at me. You go back to school. You get him back, and then you leave him. And then you leave him with that other girl. We don't get left. We leave.
We don't get left. We leave. I felt that though. But she's 10, bro. Okay. She's 10.
It's not funny because you should reach up this bed and slap. Yeah, that's what I'm saying though. Like you gotta. You ain't gonna slap her. She ain't gonna slap that girl. That's the thing. You can get a whipping from me. Stop playing around. I can't believe this she's scared of what people. Yeah, she's scared of what I told my mama. You told her that you kissed the boy? No, I never kissed no boy. She keeps saying that, bro. He was spreading rumors about that. He was spreading me said that.
It be them ones that's always spreading rumors, y'all. Watch out for them.
No, he was. So y'all both was with the same dude? No, I was not with no. I never dated that ugly boy. He's ugly. He lies and he cries and want to break up with him. He's sneaky. He's disgusting. So y'all both was with the same boy? No. Oh my God, no. He liked it. She went to my school that I go to now. She went there first and he liked her. So when I went there, he started liking me and I did not like him. Okay.
Oh, I wonder how old this little boy is.
For one. I don't want y'all out here kissing nobody. Because guess what? When you kiss people, guess what you get? Herpes. And guess what? Who is that? I'm 50 years. Herpes you can't get rid of. Ever in your life.
Yeah, y'all, herpes ain't no joke. It stays for life. And it kills.
Listen to his music, right? Yeah. Yes, I do. I've been seeing y'all little Diddy Bop all around do that little dance he be doing. What dance little NBA young boy be doing? Hop on the carpet and do that shit. No, they dream. That Diddy Bop and shit.
Hey.
Yeah. You be playing Fortnite? And I'm trying to figure out who the hell you thought you was talking to. Because you ain't talking to Binks. Man, I'm about to call y'all mama.
She said, I'm finna call y'all mama.
No, I'm just saying, like, what's
Yo.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought, though. We good? Cool. Alright, y'all, I just want to give y'all the birds and bees stuff. Because if you kiss me, you ain't pregnant. And y'all know that. And that's nasty because I don't know what that means. Where do babies come from?
Nope.
Vagina. What?
Oh, okay.
Where do babies come from? Yeah, they say that the birds come out the eye. No, in real life, God make the babies. The little bird come with the stock, bring it down in world, drop it at each person. I think.
Y'all heard what she just said. Oh, heck. These kids looking at her like they know. They already know.
No, y'all didn't. No, I can't tell my mama yet. Huh? What'd you say? I said I can't tell my mama yet. Yeah.
I came down my mama, yeah.
I can't say that.
And we got a commercial.
Fragrance by Paco Rabanne.
No, for one, I was there when y'all got dropped off at the door. I was there. I said, one more. Listen, babies come to the place. I watch my sister get pregnant.
So she over here telling them the birds drop the babies off and they already know how the babies come.
My mom's stomach. Okay? Y'all get that?
If y'all hear some noise in the background, I'm sorry.
I came from my mom's stomach. I came from my mom's stomach. I don't even remember my child. I'm telling you, baby, God said, baby, you can use a little white. Can you stop? Okay. I'm not playing around with y'all. What y'all want me to say? That's a curse.
They want the truth, Binky.
Okay. We came out of my mama's stomach, and that's where I came from. Oh, you be crazy. Period. I came out of my mama's stomach. She gave birth to me out of her stomach. Okay, period. All right.
They know what they talking about, y'all.
You know the truth. Because you kissed somebody. That's the thing. Yes.
Y'all, the fact that they already know that Binks is capping is crazy.
I'm telling y'all, fucked up that y'all been doing this.
They cut your stomach open and put it in there? No, you a lie.
Okay, so y'all tell me what y'all know.
Tell me the truth. Somebody told me that they came out of the vagina.
She right, y'all. She right.
This ain't no different world. We live in the same world. Somebody in this house told me that, no, not in this house, but somebody, her family or my family, they told me they came out of the vagina. So tell me the truth. This is right.
Okay, so, with me, well, for one, I'm not sure, kissing, basically. Kissing.
She got up and walked out. She tired of the cat.
If you pregnant, how get in there? How the baby get in?
I just told y'all kissing.
You kiss her. I thought a little bird bring it to you. The baby to where the baby?
Kiss your spouse and the bird bring it down. Excuse me, if y'all got any more questions, y'all probably fit the turn movie on me.
Well, I still got questions.
Binks got caught up.
Because you only talk about some curse. She do too much.
Oh.
And you not pregnant, bitch.
Okay, so listen, the way that this babysitting shit was supposed to be set up, I'm saying we supposed to be watching the movie.
And
Y'all telling each other business, telling me who kissed who was with that boy.
you asked us.
Who got a boyfriend, who doing what.
You asked.
Okay.
Oh.
And guess what? All of y'all out here kissing boyfriends.
I kiss nobody. I kiss nobody on my name. The only person I kiss is my mom.
I felt that. She said, don't lie on her name.
And why?
Period.
And I kiss my Constance Monique Living.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. I get it, y'all. Just don't have no kids.
So if I kiss her, how am I not pregnant?
You kiss your mama?
Yeah.
Then that's crazy.
What am I?
Because God know that type of stuff ain't supposed to do that. But when you kiss a right boy and you get pregnant, you're gonna be sick as hell. Okay?
Facts.
So don't do it.
Don't do it, kids. Don't do it.
This generation is crazy. What the hell they teaching y'all?
Oh my God. Everything. I don't even know who she can kiss her because she was going to use.
You go to that?
Don't say that. But I just did.
Y'all get y'all some of this.
Y'all, so what's them grades?
It's gonna be in the link in the bio.
Okay, let me tell you first. I got A's and B's. She had what? Come on.
Well, the description, my bad.
Come on.
What?
She had one. That's my last semester. It's a new semester, baby, so come on now.
Right.
So you failed that class?
She said, don't play with her.
No, we didn't fail the class.
Who was we? You and your friends?
Well, I did have
All in the class. What's your grades look like?
And this semester I got A's and B's.
You better keep it that way.
They get 1, 2, 3. So I don't know why y'all. Yeah. I get 1, 2, 3. I get 4s.
So how are you at school?
Because I'm at school.
You know what I'm saying? How are you?
Yo, these kids don't play.
Don't just call me.
Uh-oh. And up. I think ended the video like that. Well, y'all, that was the video. Y'all, kids out there, y'all heard what they were saying. Kissing, you can get pregnant, you can get herpes, and you can get a lot more stuff. So don't do it. Don't do it. It's like, but yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification on. Like I said, let me know down below what kind of videos y'all want to see. I am down to do some challenges and stuff, so just let me know. Make sure y'all go over to my TikTok and my Instagram and my Facebook and follow me. All those links will be down below in that description. And if y'all want some bracelets, it'll also be down below in the description. Oh, y'all, the growth, the hair growth oil right here, yeah, it's gonna pop up right in that corner somewhere. Get y'all some. It'll be back in stock real soon. It's out of stock right now, but I'm gonna post it, post that picture right there so y'all can see the growth within a couple months. And yeah, make sure y'all tune in. Like I said, go follow me on all my social medias, and we out. Bye.